How to report a damage on Turo. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can report a damage on Turo. So this is how to go about it. The first step is for you to log in into your Turo's account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, move to the top right corner of the screen, click on the profile icon. In the box displayed, make sure you select trips. And by selecting trips, to be taken to the page where you see all of the trips that you including the one that you want to report a damage for. So once you're on your trips page, the next step would be for you to select the trip. All right, select the trips that you want to report a damage. And so after choosing the trip where damage occurs, the next step is for you to tap on the issue or tap on the option which says reports a problem with this trip. So on your trips page, when you select the specific trip where damage occurred, you will see the tab report a problem with this trip. So select that, and then by selecting that, the list of options will be displayed. Choose damage to the vehicle to initiate the claim process. And once you've done that, you will be asked to describe the damage as fully as possible and upload photos if needed. So ensure you do that. Once you've done that, Turo will notify the host and they will choose a resolution path, either working with you directly or filing a claim for Turo to manage. So that is it. Thank you for watching and go ahead to report that damage now. Have a good day.